Hello, welcome. Uh, my name is Jessica Villota. This is Video Describing People. Who are they? They are my best friends. They are my best friends. We studied together at school. She is Tatiana. She is teacher. Tatiana is 22 years old. She is short. She has long brown hair. She did I like to dress well, go shopping, and go out with the boyfriends. She doesn't like maths or pasta. My next friend is Juliana. She is 25 years old. She is teacher. She is chubby, dark skin, high low black hair, and the cute brown eyes. And likes french fries and cakes and go to dance the weekend. She's like she doesn't like to exercise on the weird things. I don't know. She is Andrea and is my best friend. She is teacher. She is dark with light brown hairs, denim and light skin, which are many clean included of lack of English. Andrea likes to the shopping, to the movies and to listen to music. She doesn't don't like hypocritical and dishonest people. And this is Maria Paula, my goddaughter. She's studying. She's daughter of my best friend Sulai. Maria Paula is 6 years old. She is dark skin, curly, short black hair. She starts for the 8 and is the last. She's like chocolate and sweet and go to pool over the weekends. She doesn't like to get early, not the pineapple. Thank you.